Oh yeah, I'm sweating like crazy. Did I mention that? This is tough work, man. Parents versus toys. Good morning, gang. It's Saturday. Here at least. I don't know what time it is or what day it is where you are. But hey, for you parents out there, I got a question for you. Do you guys deal with this stuff? The messes. This place is an absolute mess. There's toys everywhere and Brayden won't pick them up. What do you think about that? You gonna help me clean this room?
No.
Why not? It's your mess. So I just finished a collab with Hector and Tanner, and Hector had all these amazing props. I'm like, dude, where do you get all these props from? And then he's like, hey, I've got kids. I got tons of props. And I'm like, yeah, you're right. I got kids and we got props. So the cool thing about having kids is you get to be kids again, but you get to pick up the messes this time, as opposed to when you were a kid and you didn't pick up your messes. But we got Legos, lots of them. Ooh, I just broke it. Sorry, Brayden. All right, commence the time lapse. Whew. All right, well that about does it for this episode of Parents versus Toys. Dad victorious. Although, my goodness, I broke a word of advice for you guys. This Hoover vacuum, don't buy one because it sucks. Actually, that's the problem. It doesn't suck and it's horrible. I have to go over things like 18 times. And get out of here. You guys got any recommendations for a vacuum? Let me know in the comments down below. My name is Craig, and I make videos about stuff and cleaning and being a parent and doing just things like stuff. Your everyday dad out. Wait, oh, I can't say that anymore. I can say that, but Craig Rivest out, maybe? We'll work on the outline. We'll see you guys later. What are you doing? You're not gonna make a mess in here again, are you? Hey, are you enjoying your nicely clean room?
Yeah.
I'm glad Brayden's able to enjoy his clean room now. I give it 2 days before it's a disaster again. Thanks, guys.
What about 3 days? What about 40 days?
What? 40 days?